Hi guys, my name's Sarah. I'm one of the people that look after the animals here at the Beech Tree. Some of you might know me if you've come up to do an animal experience. I'm the one that does all of them. We just thought we'd do a wee video to show you a day in the life of our animals because they're all missing seeing you guys, so we thought we'd let you guys see what they've been up to. So first things first, the garden looks a wee bit empty. So as you can hear from these guys, they're always keen to get out in the morning. So we'll let the ducks out first. Always eager to get out and back into their burn. And there they go. So we'll check this over again during the day because Billy, our goat, loves to go in and have a look at the duck hut. And there's the happy ducks back in their burn. So the second thing is to let out the goats. And they, as you can hear, there they are. Morning, boys. So we've got Billy and we've got Tom, and they get their breakfast. Breakfast time for the goats. Billy likes to have his up there. So they'll finish their breakfast and then they'll come out and probably have a sunbathe today because it's such a lovely day. This is the part where you guys are lucky you can't smell through the video because it's time to hose the ducks out. But before we do that, we get the eggs out. So as you can see, we've got 5 eggs this morning and they'll go in and get washed and we sell them. A nice clean-ish duck hut and some fresh water for the ducks tonight. So now we've done the ducks, it's on to the rabbits, and I don't know if you guys ever get the feeling that we've been watched. Because I get it quite a lot. Hey Tom! Oh, that's a good head scratch. And here comes Billy too. Hey boys! Hiya! So I've walked into the rabbits and I've walked into a crime scene because this black sheet is usually propped up against here to stop Ollie escaping. Can you guys see Ollie? I can. What are you doing, Ollie? What are you doing out there? So now that Ollie's been returned to his rightful home, we can actually get on with tidying up, can't we, Ollie? He's like, how dare you put me back in? I was having fun talking to the guinea pigs. You cheeky boy, aren't you? So my routine with the rabbits is essentially come in, put Ollie back in his room if he's escaped, sweep up all their poo, put it in a bin bag, make sure they've all got water. We take out the food dishes so that they can get filled up for their dinner in the evening, and then they've just got hay and stuff to munch on during the day. And yeah, so just make sure it's all nice and tidy and everybody's happy. So you've met Ollie already. In here we've got Bandit. Yes, you heard me say your name. And Era in the corner there. So these two are like best friends, so they live together. And the other guys have their own separate bedrooms. We've got Ollie in his bedroom through there, and these two in this one. So they're all cleaned out now, nice and tidy and happy. And we've just got Harry to go through here, and he's having a sunbathe at the minute. So after we've done the rabbits, we come through and we do our guinea pigs. So these guys will usually spend a lot of their day hiding in their big nest of straw down here. But they come up to get some food. Obviously I've not cleaned it out yet. And their water's up here. So they do run about sometimes, but they are quite scared of people. So every time I come in they're like, oh my goodness. But they make quite funny wee noises when they think I'm going to feed them. Hey guys! Still munching away. So we got nice fresh sawdust everywhere. And we do mean everywhere. But it's quite satisfying to see them. I'll show you that. So next up are the ponies. So we've got our 3 miniature Shetlands. This is Bolt. This is Teddy, and this is Comet. As you can see, they make a big mess in the morning, and it's my job to tidy it up, isn't it, Boaty? So I'm gonna give them all a bit of a groom, yes, because as you can see, they're all very fluffy at the minute, and we're coming into summer. So in the winter they grow really thick winter coats, and they get really fluffy to keep them warm. And then in the springtime they shed it all off for their summer coats. You look even more careful. I'm not going to do anything, Boaty. So it's a lot of grooming involved. Obviously they do it naturally, but if you groom it, just helps them all do it a bit quicker. So yes, everybody's looking for more carrots, and I don't have anything. No. So they're all going to get a bit of a groom, and you guys can see me do that. Lots of fluff coming off it. And comments here to help. You're blocking my video. Yes. Oh, you're so cute, comment. So they have now all been groomed, as you can see by the hair on the floor, and they've also had their feet picked out, so there's no mud or stones in their feet. So they're all ready to go out to the field, which is what they've been waiting for all morning. See you later, boys. Off to enjoy the sun whilst I clean up in here. So now we can feed the fish. So we've got tropical fish, so these guys have a heater. We just open up the top, get some flakes. And in here are our chinchillas. As you can see, they make a big mess overnight because these guys are nocturnal. So there they are having sleep just now because they sleep during the daytime and they are awake during the night time. He's like, why have you woken me up? So there's two of them there. They just snuggle together during the day and cause chaos during the night time, and they've spilt their food all over the place. So I'm going to sweep up in here and then that'll be all clean for them. So it's not good for chinchillas to get wet, so when they want a bath they have a sand bath, and so it's, a lot of people think it's their litter tray. The only reason there's so much poo in it is because it's like fallen down from when they're sitting up there. So basically to clean this we use a sieve and pick out all the bits of poo, and then it's all nice and clean again for them. There we go, nice clean enclosure for the chinchillas, and they're way back to sleep now. So here is our aviaries. So these guys are the lovebirds. If my camera will focus. They're quite noisy. They've been loving this warmer weather. They can get outside and enjoy the sun. So I'm going to go in and give them some fresh water and some fresh food. And in here is our other aviary. So in here we've got lots of different types. We've got zebra finches, canaries, Java sparrows and Bengalese. The lighting's not great, but there you go, you can see them. So I'm going to open up this hatch for them and they can go out and enjoy the sun as well. And then if I stand back, there you go, there's the canary out already. And now I'm going to fill up their food and their water. Sorry about the lighting in here, it's not the best. You can maybe see a bit better now. So we've got our canaries are out, there's some Bengalese finches down the bottom there, but they're a bit camouflaged. And then some zebras sitting on the branches up there. Oh, and we've got another canary over here. Here she is. So in here we have our quails. They lay eggs for us every day, so it's a bit like doing an Easter egg hunt. Every morning there's one. They could be anywhere, there's more. So I'm going to go and collect all the eggs to bring in for you guys to buy. All our quails enjoying the nice weather as well out here. And what they tend to do, I've just spotted another egg. Oh my goodness, somebody's trying to fly. There's another egg. What they tend to do is lay all their eggs underneath this one spiky bush that they have in here. So I have to go in and find all the eggs under the spiky bush. Sorry about bad filming, but there we go. And there we go. So next is Torty. She is hiding in there under her bridge. I'm gonna clean out her water and give her some fresh food. So Torty's just having a bath and a wee drink, and she has some fresh food, and because the weather's been so nice recently, she's been really active, so she's been wandering about quite a lot. So she's not been napping as much, so hopefully we'll be able to put her back outside again, because right now she's been in for the winter to keep her warmer. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's my first time doing one of these, so apologies if it wasn't great. If you want to see more, just let us know. Leave a comment to let me know what you want to see more of and what I could do better. I think we're going to post this to the YouTube, so you could like and subscribe to that, and we'll post this on the Facebook as well. So yeah, I hope you guys are all keeping well, keeping busy doing stuff. Hopefully we'll be able to get back out soon, but for the time being I'll just keep sending you videos of our animals. Take care guys, thanks for watching.